today the twins are heading to the beach. Quite the process. Where's Adalyn? Where's Ada?
Go!
There's Ada. Are you driving the car? There's a baby. Are you ready to go to the beach? Your first beach day. Are you going to the beach, Ada?
Yeah.
Let me see your face.
I can use a penny.
You found a penny? Hello, Miss Bryn. Are you going back to work or do you work here?
I'm going to work.
Nice. Do you start this week?
Yeah, I was back Monday.
Ooh. Let's go!
I went to go to work.
Oh, is that your sissy? You're ready. You ready, little buddy? Oh, hello, little bud.
Ready for the camera?
Are you programmed? What? What are you saying? You ready to get a donut? Let's go. Huh? Hi, Kate. Hi, buddy. Show me how you juggle. You're a pro. You did it. You juggled. Okay, go put that away. We're gonna go. Look at the doggy. Oh! I gave you kisses.
Hey, your arm!
Do you think you could climb all the way up to the top? Yeah, you could? Show me. There's your cousins. Are you guys ready for the beach or what? Are you ready? Yeah?
Oh my god, are they twins?
They're twins.
I am a twin. Over there. This was me one time.
It was.
That was you.
Thank you.
These are so cute. It's a bit of a traffic jam with all these babies. Wide load coming through. Yeah, just get a sign, put it on your stroller. 7 kids.
I have a frying pan.
Is it cold?
Yeah, Friday.
Baby's first time at the beach. You guys are loving it, aren't ya? Where's your feet, Adalyn? Where'd they go? There's your feet. I found them. It's a mermaid and a merman. Look how long your legs have gotten.
Whoa, down.
What do you want me to do? Yeah, it's right here. It's fine.
Adalyn, can I see your face? Did you do a face plant in the sand? Bless you. Do you have a special sun cape on?
Want those Skittles?
Show me your wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Are you guys all tuckered out? You tired from playing all day? A successful beach trip. Everyone's sleeping. Time for naps.